Normally for Christmas, we have a lot of family members over.
This year it's just the 4 of us, so we're just setting it for 4. I need placemats and plates, please.
On its way.
Thank you. First layer, adding texture. These are inexpensive woven placemats that we found on Thailand, but you can find them online. I'm waiting.
Napkins.
No, plates. Thank you, sir.
Another great tip during the holidays is not to snap at your spouse.
All right, thank you. These have very special meaning to us. This is a high.
I got them one year for Nate for his birthday. They were hand done by an artist. We bring them out almost every holiday.
When we set the table, it's not always just holiday themed decor. We use a lot of things that have meaning to us all year round.
You know, one thing that's very important to note about everything that we're putting out here,
We use our good silver almost every day.
these napkins the kids use when they have breakfast, we're showcasing them in a different way, in a little bit more formal setting.
Nothing should be precious, especially at holiday time.
We really believe in using everything every day.
One other note, these napkins were left over from our wedding. Obviously, there is no deeper memory. And then we found these natural horn napkin rings online. Natural materials look great mixed high and low because they're real.
One of the things that we love to do with holiday decor is reimagine what you're using and how you use it. These are ornaments that we've been collecting, mixed with some beautiful geodes. Again, they give a beautiful ambient lighting, rich in texture, and you just put them in a simple silver bowl, and voila.
And then these guys, possibly one of my favorite tricks. We talked about glowing and having, lots of things with shine. We found these little cups. Take inexpensive votive candles just like this. You can drop them into any container, even a juice glass, light them, and the table starts to glow.
Yes, it may be just the 4 of you, and yes, you may all know your names, but it goes a long way. Look at little placeholders with people's names on them.
And handwriting the guest name, even if it's just 4 people, it's really nice. One great holiday gift, if you know a couple, some stationery with just their first initials is a beautiful present. And for our last tip, roses from the corner deli. We cut them short and put them in a low vase. People can talk over them, and it always looks elegant. So guys, this is our holiday table, what it looks like at home with Nate and Jeremiah.
Thank you guys so much for coming by. We're wishing you the most beautiful holiday and fantastic New Year.